Welcome to EnglishHack. Let's train for the TOEFL 2026 speaking section. Listen and repeat. The 2026 World Baseball Classic begins on Friday, March 6th. Studying English through topics you genuinely enjoy is highly effective. If you follow baseball or stay informed about global trends, this theme is a practical and engaging way to build your skills. Listen carefully to each sentence and repeat it out loud with clear pronunciation and steady rhythm. Let's begin.
The World Baseball Classic is an international baseball tournament. The World Baseball Classic is an international baseball tournament. The 2026 event will feature 20 national teams. The 2026 event will feature 20 national teams. Games will be played in Tokyo, San Juan, Houston, and Miami. Games will be played in Tokyo, San Juan, Houston, and Miami. Fans around the world watch the games with excitement. Fans around the world watch the games with excitement. Japan is the defending champion from the previous tournament. Japan is the defending champion from the previous tournament. Shohei Ohtani is known for his rare two-way ability. Shohei Ohtani is known for his rare two-way ability. Yoshinobu Yamamoto won the 2025 World Series MVP. Yoshinobu Yamamoto won the 2025 World Series MVP. The United States roster includes several Major League stars. The United States roster includes several Major League stars. Aaron Judge has been named captain of Team USA. Aaron Judge has been named captain of Team USA. Clayton Kershaw is widely respected as a veteran pitcher. Clayton Kershaw is widely respected as a veteran pitcher. National teams include players from many professional leagues. National teams include players from many professional leagues. Games are played over 9 innings under official rules. Games are played over 9 innings under official rules. Pitching, hitting, and fielding influence the outcome. Pitching, hitting, and fielding influence the outcome. Stadiums host fans from many different countries. Stadiums host fans from many different countries. Broadcast coverage reaches viewers across the globe. Broadcast coverage reaches viewers across the globe. The World Baseball Classic highlights global competition. The World Baseball Classic highlights global competition. It represents international sportsmanship and dedication. It represents international sportsmanship and dedication. International tournaments strengthen connections between nations through sport. International tournaments strengthen connections between nations through sport. Major events like the World Baseball Classic inspire the next generation of athletes. Major events like the World Baseball Classic inspire the next generation of athletes.
Great job. That wraps up today's listen and repeat practice. Keep practicing a little every day, and you'll see real progress. We'll keep making helpful videos to help you hack your English, so subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.